FSTA, the premier information database for the sciences of food and health, for efficient, effective searching and results you can trust. Using advanced search in Ovid is the most precise way to focus in on exactly the information you need. It lets you combine the power of FSTA's thesaurus with keyword searches. When you use advanced search properly, you can know that you have been systematic and comprehensive in your search. FSTA's thesaurus is the most comprehensive food and beverage thesaurus in the world. It pulls together variations on words and spellings that different researchers use for a concept, so that you can capture all the variations with a single search. Let's see how advanced search works. If we go into advanced search, the first thing you want to pay attention to is if the box Map Term to Subject heading is ticked or not. Let's look for information about brewing and the dangers of toxins in the brewing process. First, we'll search brewing, but do it in the thesaurus. Now, for our other concept, we will try a different approach. This time, instead of using the thesaurus, we can search our concept as a truncated keyword by unticking this. If we type TOXI, followed immediately with no space by either an asterisk or a $sign, we will get the results that have the word toxin, toxins, toxic, or toxicity in them. Now, we might also want to include mycotoxin, so we'll do another search for that. Truncation only works for the end of a word and not the beginning, so we need to type this out separately. Now we'll combine our concepts. First, we'll combine our toxin results with OR. Then we need our toxin results to intersect with our brewing results. This time, we'll use AND. Here are our results. We can scroll down to browse them here and open up any of them to see the full record. Using advanced search allows you to search thoroughly and efficiently to find results you can trust.